Alright, so I have a 2001 GMC Jimmy. I somehow have not found a video on how to do this, so I figured I'd just make a quick one. Basically, the parking pedal, which doubles up as your e-brake, was going down but not holding. And yeah, so I was just going to take it out and replace it. In order to do so, you have to take the piece of plastic that holds your computer reader out. Yeah. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. And then this also has 2 screws you have to take out. And then you'll get to your pad, which has 1, 2, and 3 bolts. That one's kind of a pain to get to, but yeah. I used a 732 socket to get the big bolts out, and a 932 to get these smaller bolts out. But once you do so, once you get the big bolts out, you're able to pull it off, which the bolts are there, there, and there. Now the biggest pain is getting this to release out of here. In order to do so, you have to grab this and push it forward, which in turns would push this forward, and you'll be able to pop it out with a flathead screwdriver. The other brake release goes here, which it just has a grommet that slides right over the this piece, and then the little piece of metal will go into there, and then you'll have this, which clips onto here, but you'll see that once you get it all off. Hope it helped, and I'm not sure why it's not locking, but like I said, I'll probably just replace it, and if I figure out why it's not locking, then I'll just update a video and explain what's going on with that. So again, hope it helped, and have a good one. Good luck.